Today I'm excited to introduce to you a new feature we've just added into the BuddyBoss theme for LearnDash, which is the ability to add widgets into the sidebar area in your courses and into your lessons and topics. If you've been using Lifter LMS, you actually already have this. Lifter LMS registers its own sidebar areas for lessons and courses, so we've supported that for a long time in our theme. And customers like using that. We thought it would be cool to bring that feature into the LearnDash courses for those of you who are using LearnDash as well. To get this new feature, all you have to do is upgrade to the latest BuddyBoss theme version. And then in your dashboard, head to Appearance Widgets. And then once you come in here, you'll notice two new widget sidebar areas, which is for the LearnDash course sidebar and the LearnDash lesson sidebar. These are not actually coming from LearnDash, these are coming from our theme for our LearnDash templates. So this course sidebar will add widgets underneath this price box on courses, and this lesson sidebar will add widgets into this area here on the lessons, topics, and quizzes. All right, so let's go ahead and add a widget in here. So I'll go into the lesson sidebar and I'll add, for example, latest activities. So this widget will show the latest social activities from across the site in our lesson sidebar. So let's refresh that. And if we scroll down, here we have latest updates. And of course, you could put any widget you want in here, whether that widget came from our theme or from LearnDash or any other plugin that you're using. Let's go ahead and add the same widget into the course homepage and see what it looks like. So we'll go in here and we'll drag this widget into the sidebar area. And then let's refresh our course page. And now we can see we have the latest updates from the site on the course homepage. So this is a pretty simple feature update, but I think it's actually really useful, and a lot of you will probably make use of this right away. I know it will help you add extra details to sell your courses, and within the lesson and topic areas, we've had lots of requests to do this. I know people want to add all kinds of widgets in here to help guide people through the course. So we're excited to launch this, and we hope you guys find it useful.